It's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin elegant and sporty, and the performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, turbo V6 engine, sport suspension, external memory control, power telescoping steering column, gas pressurized shocks, configurable instrument gauges, and heated and ventilated bucket seats. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Take it for a test drive today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.